Good evening. As a civilized human beings, our hearts break when we see the videos of conflict coming from Armenia or from Azerbaijan, where we can see children crying, people's homes turned into rubble, human crisis everywhere, and all because of a small region of Nagorno Karabakh. And it is not like that the global community is not working for stopping the war or stopping the conflict. It is working, but we should not forget that stopping an ongoing war is a nightmare for any diplomat. It requires a lot of diplomatic art, because what happens, the party which is gaining the ground doesn't want to lose its ground, and the party which is defending herself doesn't want to make concessions on gunpoint, and the combatants doesn't stop fighting until and unless they recognize that the price of war is really high to pay. So, as per my knowledge of international relations, I think 4 or 5 measures must be taken so that the conflict stops as well as the bloodshed stops. First of all, the arms which are being supplied to these countries by different countries. Both of these countries are gaining arms from either from Turkey or from Israel or from Russia or other countries, ex-Soviet countries, or from Iran. That arms supply must stop immediately. Then Russia must start flexing its muscles on both of the fighting parties, because finally it's the backyard of Russia, and both of these countries, that is Armenia or Azerbaijan, they are ex-Soviet countries, ex-Soviet states. So Russia must put force for peace. It must stress its muscles to achieve peace in the region, because we consider that it is the backyard of Russia, and Russia must look strong in that region if the conflict has to be stopped immediately. And for that, Russia has to use its might, use its power, and it must also threaten these both of the countries that if they do not mend their ways, or if they do not stop fighting, or they do not abide to the ceasefire, Russia may use force. Then a strong US statement blasting Azerbaijan and its ally Turkey for ignoring the peace deal must come, and it will definitely make impact if it comes. Then a UN imposed air embargo against both these countries must be levied upon, and I am sure that if all of these 4 actions are being done within short span of time, the humanitarian crisis will stop. Thank you.